Hi guys, today we're playing a normal Minecraft without any operator or any cheats. So just a normal Minecraft, a new update just came. Like you can see, there's bunnies who are a bit different. And yeah, okay, we just spawned here, like you saw me. I just spawned here. So let's see, what do we have here? Okay, okay. Okay, this village is not very good, but I guess it's still a village. I mean, I maybe go and find another one because this village looks kinda trash. But don't worry, don't worry. Let's see, is there something else that we can get? Oh, a chest, a food, a book, and a wheat. Nice. Okay, it's a pretty normal village, but the one bad thing is that it's a sand biome. Uh, why is there a sheep, bro? Why was here a raw mutton? Okay, some of these guys are murderer. Okay, nothing, 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 nothing. Bro, this village is so trash. This village is low-key so trash. Oh my god. Yeah, why did I spawn right here? That's so bad. Oh, a chest. Nice. Something good. Finally. Why is there a rabbit? Loki, these new rabbits are so so cute. You're so cute, little bunny. Okay, I guess we're just gonna try and find a better village, I guess, because we need villagers and a normal place to build the base. Why is there so much sugarcane? Like here, here, here. Oh, whoa, whoa, these are really big. Like here, 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 and there's a lot of sugarcane. Holy! I swear to God, I just made this server like maybe 5 minutes ago, and I'm not up. I can show. Nah, see, see, I'm not operator. So yeah, no one is because I'm doing it in single player. So yeah. Oh my God, that just jump scared me. Okay, I guess we don't need any more for now. We can make a farm after we find another place to build our home. Uh, where do we go? Yeah, let's go this way. I guess maybe we can find a better place because the sand biome, you know, desert biome is not good for building base. One thing is good. It doesn't rain in here. That's a good thing. But yeah, I don't really like this biome. So yeah. let's go. And in this video, there's no editing and no, just a normal Minecraft playing like maybe 10 or 20 minutes. And yeah, let's see what we can do with like 20 minutes. So yeah. Oh, holy lag. Holy lag. And I'm trying to make more videos in English. Then maybe I can get some more views and maybe more subscribers. So yeah, if you like this video, then please subscribe. It really means a lot to me, for me, because I'm a I'm a small creator. Oh, a wood finally, but it's not the plains biome. But it's still wood. I take it. Holy. Mine faster. Mine faster. Oh, nice. This okay, crafting. Okay, I just get more sticks. Uh, let's go and find some better place, and then I'm gonna mine down to get some better gear, because yeah, it's better when we can get a better place. Oh my god. Oh, a mine shaft. Uh, do we want to go there? Of course we want. Oh, there's a spawner. Oh, I mean, yeah, there's two minecarts just sitting here. Nice. Normal stuff. Oh, I called an apple. I didn't saw that. Um, what else is in here? Ooh, what book? Quick charge. I don't really use a crossbow, so yeah, yeah. I just let it be in there. Okay, torches, some golden apple, melon seeds, pumpkin seeds. Nice. Is there something else? No. Ooh, a big cave. Let's see. Ooh, do we want to go there? Mm, yeah. Let's go and find something else. Holy. So yeah. Ooh, a stone. Nice. Oh no. It's getting dark. Hmm. Another village? Oh nah. Oh nah. Another one? Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Ooh, an iron. I will take it after I go to sleep. Bro, that's a wrong house. Oh my god. Holy. Loki. Huh, did he just jump? Okay, never mind. Loki, this village is kinda looking good because it's like on top of the mountain and like little bit inside of the mountain. I think it's cool. I think it's cool. but I still don't want to leave it here because yeah, I need some wood. There's get off. That's my bed now. Nice. Let's see, is here something good that we can like maybe get? Uh, why is this? Oh my god! Why are these guys chasing me? Why is this? Okay, nothing. I'm gonna grab this bed, so if it's nighttime, I can go to sleep. Okay. I have a plan. Let's make a no, no. Let's make a sword and grab this crafting table quickly. And let's go. Nice. Hey, you cannot get me. You can't hit me. You can't hit me. Oh, I missed. No one saw that. Okay, nice. Holy, what is this? Wait. Guys, watch this. I'm gonna do a crazy clutch. I'm gonna put all my stuff up here. So if I die, I can like get my stuff back. Watch this, guys. Yeah, let's go. Let's see. So let's see what is in this chest, because in these towers there's always a one chest. Nice. Food. Dead bushes. Okay. I guess it's okay. Um, now how do I get back up? Okay. It wasn't really good idea to me to jump down. Holy, these mountains are big. Holy, how big are these mountains? That's crazy. Okay, maybe we will do like 30 minutes video. So yeah, so we can do a lot of things like getting back up there. I need to use my wheat because I don't have blocks. Mm, let's grab the sand. Nice. Why is there a village? Okay, never mind. Um, okay, I guess we need more sand. Yeah, I'm so dumb. Why did I jump? Oh my god. There's more. Um, let's grab some sand. Thank you. Am I back up? Please. Okay. Nice, there's some more wheat or hay bales. Okay, nice. Where's my loot? Is it up here? Yeah, nice. Okay, let's grab all my stuff. Hopefully I have a lot of stuff. Stuff. Yeah. A lot of things. Let's break a bed. we don't need this, but we need a crafting table, so I'm gonna quickly craft this. Yoink. And wait, why don't? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Why didn't I do the iron pickaxe? So I can go and mine this iron. What I saw when I come here, when I came here, like um that way. Was it that way? Was it this way? Uh, if I'm correct, then this iron was like in here. Oh, nice, nice. Okay. Oh, more, more iron. Let's go. Okay. Let's go and find a better place. Okay, there's some normal grass, but I don't know. Does it matter? I don't think so. How big is this stupid sand or this like dry biome? Holy. Okay, there's some more wood, but it's not this biome. I need the plains or what's it called? The forest where is the spruce, like taiga. Was it the taiga? Will it taiga biome? Why did I why did I just say the village bro? Was it the taiga biome? I think it was. Okay, let's see. Holy, we need a boat. Okay, let's quickly go on this kelp. If you didn't know, then you can place blocks on a kelp, like you can put on top of this. So yeah, um, if you like this video, then subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye guys.